Hello everyone and welcome to Honey's Anime. My name is Fonzie and we are going to check out this wonderful gift that was sent to us from Exceed Games. Exceed Games sent us a package in the mail that you cannot get in stores except for one of the items that are in it. And we're going to show you that in a bit. First, we have a custom-made pair of chopsticks made from bamboo with the Sakuna of Rice and Ruin label etched right in. Next, we have another item that is custom made out of bamboo, and it is a sake cup with the Sakuna of Rice and Ruin label etched in as well. The next item we got is a custom made USB drive that is also made out of bamboo and has the Sakuna of Rice and Ruin label printed on top. The next item in the gift box, which you can purchase from Exceed Games' online store or any other participating retailer, is the Sakuna of Rice and Ruin Divine Edition box set. The next item we have is a wonderful gift from the Rice Factory in New York, which contains 3 small bags of rice from 3 different regions in Japan. In the Sakuna of Rice and Ruin Divine Edition box set, the first item you'll see is the exclusive Japanese Omamori charm with the character Sakuna right on it. The next item in the box set is the game itself, which contains the game disc and a booklet. The next item in the box set is a 130-page art book with tons of beautiful designs for the characters in the game, as well as background designs and more. The last item in the box set is a 3-disc soundtrack containing 42 tracks throughout the 3 discs of great music from the game. And that is it for this showcase of the wonderful gift Xseed Games sent to us, which we really appreciate. If you are interested in purchasing the Divine Edition box set of Sakuna of Rice and Ruin, then make sure to click the links down below in the video description. We hope you enjoyed watching this video we made for you. Make sure to like this video to show your support, and subscribe here at Honey's Anime if you want to see more content and be notified when our next video is uploaded. We'll see you next time, and we guys hope you take care out there. Bye bye.